Guys, I'm trading one system, one ticker, S&P 500 futures every single day for a full year. Today is day 95. Been doing this for a while and it's been a little bit of a struggle here and there. Today was a pretty bad day actually. I started pretty red, then eventually scalped myself back up to break even and then profitability toward the end of the day. Closed the day around 488 after all the fees and stuff. Sleep has been good, caught up on sleep, so health's been pretty good here. And then today was actually should have been a really easy green day for me because I talked about that 69.25 level yesterday. I said, as long as we back test the level and we hold, we should potentially be bullish, and that did happen. But because this morning I was leaning a bit bearish, I was expecting the market to go down. I took some shorts over here and got squeezed pretty hard and lost some money there. So that's where I took some losses. But the levels worked out perfectly, and I think those levels will continue to work out into next week. Let's dive a little bit more into market analysis here as well, as I usually do. So in terms of longer time frame, we did get a bullish signal today. We our background on the daily chart did flip green, so that's bullish. And the reason it's bullish is because we are holding that moving average over here, right? As you can see here and here, we held those moving averages, and on the daily chart, when you hold those moving averages, we continue to move back up. So this should be potentially a situation like that where we move back up. Now, there is also a probability where on the 1 in 5 minute chart, we did struggle a little bit here. So I'll show you why. So we did hold that 1 in 5 minute MOB, make our break line there, held it pretty well. And now we have two moving averages over here that are kind of sandwiching these candles. And it's just kind of chopped in here, building momentum. And when it's building momentum, it can either build momentum to break out or it could build momentum to break down. One or the other could happen. If it does break down, we're looking for this level to hold again. If that holds again, we'll probably have a nice double bottom setup like this, and it'll be beautiful. If we lose this level again, then it going downhill. That's also the not another possibility that we're looking at. But realistically, I am not even looking for it to go that far down. Oh, actually, there's a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder set up here, right? This is could be the inverse head setting on this side here, the inverse shoulder here, before we push higher. So we'll see. But also looking at this level for Monday as well, 68.93 area. For that to hold, if we test it here, I'm looking for a nice hold. If we can't hold there, then I'll probably wait at the 195 MOB, see how that plays out. But market has been trading pretty well, it's been behaving really good. We're also seeing the 10-minute MOB play out really well here. As you can see, yesterday's low, today's low. So it's showing that there's buyers coming here and holding that level. So unless we break that level, we will probably remain bullish. We'll keep that phase until it invalidates itself. That's the only way to really play the market based on facts uh, instead of like hopes and dreams. So this is a pretty good day for me. I hope you guys had a great day and good week as well. And if you guys have any questions or if you guys have any other insights that please feel free to share and with me as well. I'm always excited to hear what other people are thinking, how they perceive the market. Because the more insights you have, the more ways you can calculate probabilities out. Anyways, thank you and have a great week.